Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello everyone, and hello Nexo. This is a vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today we will learn words from this category. Days of the week, with words like Monday and Sunday.
That sounds useful, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Phrases. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes, Emma. I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the words.
Great. I will listen carefully. Days of the week. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. I know the 7 days now.
Now we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary learned. Nexo, match the image with the correct word.
Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Sunday. What is this? Monday. What is this? Tuesday. What is this? Wednesday. Sunday. Saturday. Friday. Thursday. What is this? Thursday. What is this? Friday. What is this? Saturday.
How was the quiz, Nexo? Now, let's hear the vocabulary in context.
It was good. The images helped me. Days of the week. Monday. Monday is the first school day. Monday is the first school day. Tuesday. Tuesday is a sunny day. Tuesday is a sunny day. Wednesday. Wednesday is in the middle. Wednesday is in the middle. Thursday. Thursday is a good day. Thursday is a good day. Friday. Friday is my favorite day. Friday is my favorite day. Saturday. Saturday is for the park. Saturday is for the park. Sunday. Sunday is a quiet day. Sunday is a quiet day.
Now it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
I will match the image and the sentence.
Monday is the first school day. A. Tuesday is a sunny day. C. Wednesday is in the middle. C. Thursday is a good day. C. Friday is my favorite day. A. Saturday is for the park. C. Sunday is a quiet day. C.
Good job. This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye, listeners. Please continue with the next lesson.
This class was simple and useful.
I liked practicing the days of the week.